Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dig Dig, where we code cool things and make learning fun. Today we're doing something awesome. We'll create a simple cartoon character walking using Python. Let's get into it. Scene 1, what you'll need. Before we start, here's what you'll need. Python installed a module called Pygame, basic images or sprites of a cartoon character walking. If you don't have Pygame, open your terminal and type -copy edit pip install Pygame ready. Let's code. Scene 2, setting up the code. Let's start by importing what we need and setting up the display window. Python copy edit import Pygame import sees Pygame. Init screen equals Pygame. Display set underscore mode. Pygame. Display set underscore caption clock equals PYGA mount clock. This creates a game window and sets the frame rate. Scene 3, load the character animation. Now, we load a series of images that make the cartoon appear to walk. These are usually called sprites. Python copy edit walk underscore images equals pygaimage.load, 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 load, pygaimage.load. You can draw your own or download some free sprite sheets online. Scene 4, make it move. Now, let's create a loop that will animate the character frame by frame. Python copy edit x equals 0 frame equals 0 while true screen. Fill hash white background. Screen.blit frame equals %linx plus equals 5 hash. Move right pygame.display.date. Clock. Tick for event in pyga event dot get if event. Type equals Pygame. Quit pyg swice set exit boom. You've just made your cartoon character walk across the screen. Scene 5, customize it. Hi, want to make it cooler? You can. Add a background, add keyboard controls, make it jump or turn around. Let your creativity run wild. If you loved making this walking cartoon, drop a subscribe to Dig Dig and comment what you want us to animate next. We've got more coding plus animation tutorials coming your way, Python style. Dig Dig logo fade out.